You see me very well?
Opo.
Okay. Okay, it's nice to meet you, and I would like to thank you for having me today. Okay.
The-
And can you please tell me about yourself and your Tagalog skills? Where are you now?
uh,
Your Tagalog skills. I'd like to know.
uh, it's my seventh class, and still I'm a beginner, not like
Okay.
basic. I know some basics, greetings and words only, and
Okay.
which also cognates like Spanish and Tagalog words. I know this kind of
Okay. All right. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Of course, yeah. There are a lot of words in Tagalog which is just
similar to
same in
Spanish. Yeah,
Spanish and all that. Some are pronounced differently, but
yeah.
it's spelled the
But,
same. So okay. So your goal is to move further above basics, right? And to
yes,
are you
yeah. To
is
be
it
fluent actually.
to be
Yeah,
fluent? Okay. To
yeah.
be fluent.
Languages I know. That is my actually goal to be fluent in all languages which I know.
Oh, wow, that's good. That's also what I want to do. All right. So okay. So of course you already know how to do the hi. What's your name, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Alam mo na yon. Alam mo na yun. And
Tagalog, makilala ka.
wait, I'm sorry. Pakiulit. Pakiulit means can you repeat? Pakiulit. Oh,
Ikinagagalap kong makilala ka.
oh. Ako rin po. Ako rin po. Nagagalap ko na makilala ka. Now here's a new word. Pakiulit po. Po is equals to saying please.
I know that word, paki, but you have to add some word, right?
Yes, exactly.
Like a tag, tagging words.
Yes, the word ulit means
Paki ulit, like this?
again. Yes, exactly. Yes, exactly. Pakiulit. But there's space after paki is space ulit. It's like that.
Okay.
Ulit space po. You can also yeah. You can also just simply say pakiulit, which just simply means can you repeat it again? But when you say pakiulit po, it's can you repeat it again, please?
Like a formal way, right?
Okay. So you do know how to say like where are you from and all that?
No, I don't know how to say what it is.
Okay. Here. Many people says it in probably the most simple one. It's taga-saan ka, which means
Tagasaan ka.
where are you from? Taga-saan ka?
Taga?
Taga-saan ka? Taga-saan ka?
Like that, or there is a space between?
There's a
Taga-saan.
space between taga and saan. I also suggest you write it down. Write it down.
Yeah, it's that's why I'm writing it down.
Yeah,
That's-
exactly.
That's the
Yes.
reason.
Taga-saan ka, which means where are you from?
In when
You say I am from. Ako ay galing.
ako'y
You can also,
ay galing.
ako ay si, but yeah, you can also say ako si Faisal. Ako si Faisal, ako ay galing sa, I am from.
Ako ay like that.
Yes. Ako ay
Ako-
galing. You need to add sa right before Bangladesh. Sa.
Ako ay
Sa
galing
space
sa
ba? Galing. Ako ay galing sa Bangladesh. Yes, that's the most formal one. Ako ay galing sa Bangladesh. Very good. Bangladesh. Ako naman, which means if you add like ako naman, or you can also say at ako. To say and is at. And in Tagalog is at at. At ako.
that word.
Yes, at ako and me, at ako, galing ako dito. Do you know dito?
Dito?
Dito means
No?
here, dito.
Philippines?
D-I-T-O. That's a new word for you. Dito.
Dito
Dito.
like this?
Yeah, D-I-T-O. Yep, there you go. Here, dito.
Dito,
Galing ako, at ako, or you can say ako naman, which means while me. It's kind of like a while me. At ako and me. Ako naman, or at ako, galing ako dito sa Pilipinas. At dito ako pinanganak. Dito rin ako pinanganak, which means I was also born here. Dito rin, which means here also. So dito here, rin also. Dito
rin
rin
and in. It depends on the
Yeah.
depends on the word before. It's if it's vowel or
Exactly.
consonant, right? Yeah, I learned that.
Exactly. So dito
Last
rin ako, which means I'm also here. But it's dito rin ako pinanganak. So I'm also born here. Or you can say dito ako pinanganak. At ako, galing ako dito sa Pilipinas. Pilipinas is how you say Philippines in Tagalog. At ako, galing ako dito sa Pilipinas. And me, I'm from here in the Philippines. So ulitin natin. Let's repeat. Yeah, let's repeat. Ulitin natin. Hello, Faisal. Kumusta ka?
Mabuti po. Ikaw?
Okay lang ako. Mabuti rin. There you go. Mabuti rin. Which means I'm also okay. Mabuti rin. So, at ako, you remember at?
At means and.
Yes, at ako ay dalawat pong tatlo. Kulang na. Dalawat pong tatlo. Do you know dalawa? Oh, wait, yeah, it means two. Isa,
22.
dalawa.
22?
No, okay, tatlo is 3. Apat is 4. Isa, dalawa, tatlo, apat. Yan, lima ulit. So ako ay dalawat pong tatlo. Kulang. Dalawat pong Can you guess? Dalawat kung tatlo, gulang na. There you go. Tama. Tama means correct. Tama, correct.
Tama.
You know that? No, you don't
No.
know the word?
Tama.
You know that? Yeah, tama. Tama, yeah. Tama, yes, and this tama. And mali. Mali means wrong. Wrong or incorrect. Wrong.
Name of a country. African country.
Mali. Yeah, I know. I know it's also, but yeah, but
Yeah, it's my memory trick to remember.
okay. I get it. So, ayan. So, okay. Ulitin natin sa umpisa ulit. That's the addition here. I'll write it down for you, okay? Ulitin.
Salamat po.
Problema. Do you know wala? The word wala?
Wala and
Wala
walang problema. No problem, right?
Yeah, it sounds like no problem. I know. Walang problema. It's no problem. Walang problema. So, okay, I'll write that down for you. Walang problema.
And walang anuman. You're welcome.
Walang anuman po. Yeah, which means, yeah, exactly. You're welcome.
It's kind of weird. Like no problem is walang problema, but you're welcome. Walang anuman.
Yeah,
This
yeah.
walang
Anuman po. It's kind of like, no need to mention it, don't mention it, or yeah, but of course, it's used if you want to say you're welcome. So, walang problema. So, what was that again? I was trying to say. Oh, okay. Ulitin natin sa umpisa. So, there. Of course, you know ulitin natin, right? Which means
Umpisa.
let's repeat.
Repeat.
Umpisa means at the beginning. So,
Okay.
So ulitin natin sa umpisa. Let's repeat.
Okay.
From the beginning. Let's repeat from the beginning. There you go. Let's repeat. Sige, ulitin natin sa umpisa. Yung technique dyan, the technique for that is vocabs and vocabs and vocabs. Then
Sure.
phrases and phrases and phrases. Then grammar follows. I mean, I've seen a lot of these people, learning languages, especially like Russian and other, with really difficult
Yeah.
grammar rules. They've been doing that for years now, and they're still stuck because they're too focused on the grammar. My goodness.
Grammar actually, according to me, is like learning languages like in a natural way, like how babies learn.
Yeah, exactly. Yes, exactly. At yung suggestion ko, my suggestion, or you could say, ang suggestion ko ay magbasa ka. Basa means you read. Magbasa ka, you read ng mga libro na pambata. Which means read the kids book sa Tagalog.
Sure.
Oh, ganda yan. I mean, mahirap, but ayos yan. Mahirap means hard. You don't know that yet, mahirap?
I've
Mahirap.
actually heard a lot of vocabularies I forget,
But,
I learn, I forget. I learn, I forget.
yeah.
I have to keep repeating every day.
Yeah, exactly. But mahirap can be two words actually. You can use it in two ways. You can either use it to say hard, as in, the difficulty is very hard, or poor, like a poor person with a little money and all that. Mahirap. Mahirap ako. I'm poor. So mahirap ka, you're poor. It's like that. Opposite of mahirap, mayaman. I mean, opposite of mahirap, the easy difficulty is madali. Madali. Easy. Madali. To
But
say,
in Tagalog, the I is pronounced like le, mabuti, madali.
mabuti.
Sounds like E, like
Madali.
not I.
Well, many people pronounces it like, for example, the word malede. So many people pronounces
So
it
both are correct, right?
kind of like male. It's just simply out of laziness. It's like that. Like for example,
So
the word
both are correct, right? Mabuti
Yeah.
and mabuti.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
both of
yes,
thank
yes,
God.
it's just that it is mabuti. The reason why it's pronounced as mabute because it's out of laziness, because it's easier to say than e. So I say mabute than mabuti, like that. Same thing with madali. Madali, dali lang, just easy, or it's just easy.
And also hindi.
Yeah,
Oh.
yes, hindi. So it even gets to the point where they just say hindi, like de, ayoko, de. It's like that. You know ayoko?
Huh?
Do you know ayoko?
No.
Okay, so that's madali, easy. Ayoko means
Easy.
I don't want. Ayoko.
Ah.
Hindi, no, I don't want. Hindi, ayoko, de, ayoko. Sometimes they say yoko, just yoko, de, yoko.
Sure.
It's kind of like that. Shortcut, it's out of.
I don't.
Just like-
I do not. I don't.
okay.
Like that. Yeah.
I don't. Yeah, exactly. It's like that. Or you can say, instead of saying I am, you say I'm, because it's easier that
Yeah.
way.
Yeah.
Like that.
And I've
Okay.
noticed there's something like you use apostrophe T. Tatlo. Ako ay tatlo. Tatlo. Right? Tatlo.
So, why do you bakit gusto mo mag-aral? Do you know what is aral?
No.
Okay. Aral means learn or study. Aral. Wait, let me write that down. Naaalala mo ba? Naaalala mo, which means naaalala mo ba, which means do you remember? Do you remember? Naaalala mo ba? naaalala mo ba ano yung
Naalala
ano
mo.
yung
Is 3A or naa? Is 3A or
na
triple A? Wow.
yeah, 3A.
Triple A?
Triple A. Naaalala mo ba?
Naa.
Is
Naalala.
Soon get to the point why I'm doing this. Yun. So,
Sige.
ulitin natin sa umpisa.
Sige.
Bakit gusto mo mag-aral ng Tagalog?
Maganda.
Ulitin natin. Kasi, nakakalimutan mo eh. Nakakalimutan mo means kind of like you forget or you keep forgetting. So, nakakalimutan mo. You keep forgetting. Ask me how old I am. Do you know what is, naaalala mo ba? Do you remember? Yan, naaalala mo ba? Naaalala mo ba? Naaalala mo ba? Okay, naaalala mo ba kung ano ang one sa Tagalog? Sa Tagalog, in Tagalog. One sa Tagalog. One sa Tagalog. No?
I only remember isa and lima.
Yeah, there you go. Just said it. Isa.
Isa? One?
Yeah, isa.
I just remember this two. Isa. Oh, manhin?
Manhin, you said it?
Ah.
Wow. Okay.
Because I'm learning every day one word each day.
Okay.
Because I just said, I just learned magkano ito from YouTube. I'm learning. And some words are ikinagagalap kung makilala ka. It's old phrase. No one uses it nowadays, this word.
Yeah. Actually, yeah. Nobody use it. Actually. Even the word that you have a good day, or you take care, or all that. It's all
Ingat, right?
ingat. Oh, ingat. Simply say ingat. That's just it.
Okay.
Here we go. There. So that's your suggestion for you to remember all that. Remember all that when we're done, because we have 7 minutes left. Okay, ulitin natin. Ano ang
Ano
What?
is,
So I'm trying to say, yeah. Ano ang quote? Ano ang? Ano
what
yan?
is what ano ang what is, right?
Yeah.
Ano ang what is in English?
Ano ang sa English? Sa English. Ano ang?
What is in English?
Yeah.
What is ano ang in English?
Yes, exactly. So it's what is. There you go. Okay. Ano ang naaalala mo ba?
Do you remember?
Yes, yeah, tama. Naaalala is like remembering. Yeah. It's so naaalala mo ba kung ano yung this one you will have to naaalala mo ba ano ang let's repeat from the beginning
Sige.
sa Tagalog. Naaalala mo ba ang let's repeat from the beginning sa Tagalog?
How to say let's repeat from the beginning?
Exactly. Naalala mo. You remember how do you say let's repeat from the beginning in Tagalog? Okay, here's the technique. You remember? Okay, yeah, you got it.
Ulitin natin na umpisa.
Ulitin natin sa umpisa. Okay. So, ulitin natin sa umpisa. Okay, so yeah, ulitin natin sa umpisa. Yung umpisa ay mali. Yung means it can also mean the. Yung umpisa ay mali. Alam mo yung umpisa? Alam mo ba? Which means do you know? Alam mo ba ano ang umpisa?
Do you know what is wrong?
No. Umpisa. Wrong is mali. Ano ang umpisa?
Umpisa, beginning?
Yes. So yung umpisa ay mali. I is kind of like that. Ay mali. Naalala mo? Yung umpisa ay mali. It simply means the beginning is wrong. It was wrong. What you said. Beginning was wrong.
The question?
Can you repeat? Pakiulit po. Yung, okay. Sa tingin ko, I think, tapos na tayo. We're done. sa tingin ko, tapos na tayo. Simply means, I think we're done. Okay. It's nice to meet you. Now, yung suggestion ko, which means my suggestion, i-review mo lahat yung pinag-aralan natin. I-review means like, i-review mo, it's review mo, or maybe I'll try to make it as pure Tagalog as I can. Ulitin, there you go, here we go again, ulitin mo lahat. Do you know what is the word lahat? Okay, lahat means all. Ulitin mo lahat ang mga no, this is getting deep, aralan natin. Simply means you repeat anything we learn. There you go. Ulit. repeat. Lahat.
Mga?
Mga is simply used for plural. If dogs, to say dogs, mga aso. Dogs, mga aso, dogs. So, yun, mga pinag-aralan natin, yung what aralan natin means, it's a past tense. It's like, it simply means what we learned, what we have learned. So, lahat ng mga pinag-aralan natin, everything, all what we have learned. So, ulitin mo, you repeat. Mo, it's like to you, directly to you. Ulitin mo, you repeat. Ulitin mo lahat ang mga pinag-aralan natin. So, yung suggestion ko, ay ulitin mo lahat ang mga pinag-aralan natin. Okay? Ganun yun.
Maraming salamat.
Yeah, maraming salamat rin po sa'yo, to you, to you, sa'yo. Maraming salamat rin po sa'yo. At if you memorize all of them now, you move on to the next level. Right? Okay. Okay. Maraming salamat po. How do you say thank you in Bangladeshi?
Dhonnobat.
What?
Dhonno.
Dono.
All right, first.
Okay.
Dhonnobat.
Donobad. Bye-bye.
Walang anuman. Paalam.